In this tutorial, we will see how to scan a full human body with the SIS 3D scanner. To prepare for body scanning, rotate the iPad into portrait orientation, like taking usual photo of full body. You can see the whole body is highlighted now, but it's better to start scanning from a closer distance, when the face is frontal and occupies a big part of the screen. This way, we'll get more details on the face, and we'll capture other regions later. After pressing the Start button, we can see a very rough preview just to get an idea of what is already scanned. The final model will be much more accurate, of course. Now we just need to move around and capture all parts of the body, while the scanned person should stand as still as possible. When holding an iPad, one can accidentally spoil results by closing a camera with a finger, as you can see right now on the left. So watch out how you hold an iPad and track visualization during scanning. Other tips when moving around: there is no need to move far away from a person to capture the whole body in a single view. Actually, it is better to be closer to a person and scan from a distance of about 1 meter. But for important regions like a face, you can move even a little bit closer. And when moving around, the essential point is you need to capture all parts of the body: legs, arms, the internal sides, top of the head, feet, everything. If we want to get a model of the whole body, we should scan all its surfaces. Finally, a few recommendations about the scene. You can see the preview includes floor and other objects, but it's okay, they will be filtered out later. The only requirement for this is a person should stand on a flat surface, like floor, and distance to nearby object should be at least half a meter. Alright, let's finish the scanning. Computations take 5–15 minutes, and here is the result. You can see that indeed we managed to scan the whole body and at the same time have fine local details like facial features, tattoo on the back, the cross on the neck, and so on. Notice that arms and hands are captured well too. They rest on the body, and in this case it is easier to hold them still and so to get a decent scan. Now let's have a more direct look at the geometry of the 3D model. So we can see the model has good overall shape and also fine details like wrinkles on clothes and individual fingers. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have the full fun scanning your friends.